So now coming to tympanoplasty. Tympanoplasty means a surgical repair where we have to do myringoplasty. That means we have to repair the tympanic membrane. We can use the ossiculoplasty together. Okay. If there is bone erosion, we have to reconstruct that bone also. So this is tympanoplasty. Now Woolstein classified tympanoplasty into 5 categories. 5 types. Type 1 tympanoplasty, where the tympanic membrane is perforated, means there is no tympanic membrane, but ossicles are intact. All the 3 ossicles are intact. So that graft, that is the temporal fascia of the person, temporal fascia, we will take the temporal fascia, the fascia of the temporalis muscle. So that is used as a graft, autograft. So these have to placed between tympanic membrane and the first ossicle, that is the malleus, handle of the malleus. So this is the type 1 tympanoplasty, which is also known as myringoplasty. But in myringoplasty we do the some different thing that we'll talk about myringoplasty. In number 2, type 2, here the tympanic membrane is perforated. There is a central large perforation. Along with the malleus is eroded. Incus and stapes are present, but malleus is eroded. So handle of malleus is eroded. So the graft is placed between. Tympanic membrane and means tympanic membrane over the means the tympanic membrane space and over the remnant of malleus. So malleus এর যে remnant থাকে সেইখানে আমি গ্রাফটিংটা বসাবো. Okay, so second part এ বসাবো. So it is type 2. In type 3, the malleus is eroded along with the incus. So malleus and incus both are absent. Only stapes is present. Tympanic membrane is not there. So you have to place the graft. That is of temporal fascia with third ossicle. That means with the stapes, either head or footplate of stapes. If the stapes is also eroded, then we have to first do the ossiculoplasty here. So you have to do ossiculoplasty, either TORP or PORP or autograft we have to keep, and with that we have to place the graft. So this is known as myringostepidiopexy. Okay. It is also known as columella tympanoplasty. Tympanoplasty. Okay. In type 4, all the 3 ossicles are absent. Tympanic membrane absent, malleus, incus, stapes, all are absent. So we have to place the graft where? In between the oval window and round window. Between oval window and round window. So oval window will be above, round window will be below. Between oval window and round window. And it now covers the round window and the eustachian tube. So that it covers round window and eustachian tube. So both should be covered to maintain the phase difference. To maintain the phase difference, round window should be covered. Okay. And what is type 5? Type 5, there is a the steppies, the foot plate of the steppies, tympanic membrane is perforated, that's okay. Foot plate of steppies is also fixed. Now we have to do the fenestration operation. So one fenestra should be drilled with the foot plate of the steppies or with the lateral semicircular canal, the bulging of the lateral semicircular canal, but it is not done nowadays because it will cause the perineal fistula and iatrogenic fistula test, positive fistula test. It will give iatrogenic positive fistula test. So this is all about tympanoplasty types of tympanoplasty. So this is one of the treatment. Ossiculoplasty is one of the treatment for the correction of the otitis media, chronic otitis media. Now in the next lecture I will talk about myringoplasty.